Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking into something maybe you don't think about much, the air vents in your home, why cleaning them is kind of a big deal.
It really is. And we're focusing specifically on places like Kitsilano and Vancouver.
Right, and all the facts we're digging into today, they come from research by a local company, Pacific Blue Mechanical.
Good source.
So, our mission is simple. Find out the best reasons, the benefits of having really clean air pipes or ducts in your house.
Okay, let's unpack this.
Okay, and maybe the best place to start is, well, your health. Because what's in those dirty vents matters a lot.
Yeah. What kind of stuff are we talking about?
Well, it's not just plain old dust. It's dust mites, little bits of mold, pollen, basically all the tiny things that can make people sneeze or feel unwell. Allergens. And here's where the Kitsilano location is important. Being near the coast means wetter weather, right? More dampness.
For sure. Lots of rain.
Exactly. And that dampness can actually help mold grow inside your air ducts if they aren't cleaned. It's like a hidden breeding ground. Yikes. Mold inside the vents.
It can happen. And then your heating or cooling system blows that air with the mold spores all through your house.
Oh, wow. So that bad air could really affect people.
Definitely. Especially kids or anyone with breathing issues like asthma. Clean vents mean cleaner, healthier air to breathe. Simple as that.
Okay, health is huge. But here's where it gets really interesting for, your wallet, money, and how well things run.
The efficiency angle.
Yeah. When your vents are clogged up with all that dust and gunk, your heating and cooling machine, the HVAC system, it has to work way harder.
Like trying to breathe through a clogged straw.
Right, exactly. It's struggling to push the air through. And working harder means it uses more energy.
Which costs more money in your bills.
You got it. The research from Pacific Blue Mechanical actually suggests cleaning the vents can save you maybe up to 20% on your heating and cooling costs.
20%, that's quite a bit.
It really is. Think of all that dust creating friction, basically. Cleaning it out lowers that friction, saves energy, saves money.
And I bet making the system work less hard helps it last longer too.
That's the other part. Less strain on the machine means it's less likely to break down. You hopefully won't need to buy a new one quite so soon. Big savings there too.
Okay, so health benefits, money savings. Makes sense. But how do you get them really clean? Is it something you can just do yourself?
Well, the experts, especially the local ones who know the Kitsilano climate, they have the right gear.
Right. It's not just sticking a vacuum cleaner hose in there.
No, definitely not. They use these really high-powered vacuums, sometimes special brushes too, designed specifically for ducts. They get all the way in.
And I've heard about HEPA filters being important.
Yes. HEPA stands for high-efficiency particulate air. It means the vacuum traps almost all the tiny, tiny particles, even the really small ones, so they're actually removed from your home, not just stirred up.
Got it. So professionalism matters there. Now, how often should you actually do this?
Good question. The general advice, according to the source website, Pacific Blue Mechanical, is roughly every 1 to 3 years.
1 to 3 years.
Okay.
But, and this is important, you might need to do it sooner.
Like when?
Well, think about it. If you have pets shedding fur.
Yeah. More dust and dander.
Right. Or if someone smokes inside the house.
Okay, that makes sense.
And a big one. If you've just done renovations, like building or fixing up rooms, that kicks up a ton of fine dust that gets sucked right into the vents.
Oh, right. Construction dust. So after a reno, probably a good idea to get them cleaned straight away.
Exactly. Don't wait the full year or 3 years then.
Okay. So wrapping this up, what's the main takeaway?
I think it's pretty clear, especially in a coastal place like Kitsilano, keeping your air vents clean isn't just optional tidying up.
It's more like essential maintenance.
Right. It means your family breathes healthier air and your heating and cooling system runs better, saving you money. Healthy home, lower bills.
And going with local experts, like the source Pacific Blue Mechanical mentions, means they understand the specific challenges, like that potential for mold growth from the damp climate. They know the area. Good point. Local knowledge counts.
It really does. Supports the community too.
So here's something to think about as we finish. If clean vents save you money month to month and help keep your family healthier right now, what's the total value, like the overall quality of life improvement of having really great fresh air inside your home, say, for the next 5 years? What's that truly worth?
That's a really good question to ponder. Puts it in perspective.